G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is May 4th, 2023. This is the Bitcoin price update. We've got the weekly and the daily, both showing neutral positions to go long or short, so we don't trade. On the weekly first, which is our major trend indicator, we've got, you can see here, this is an indicator down here which combines the triple moving average of the price chart, which is the moving average 3, 5 and 60, along with the CCI 150 and a moving average 5 and 50. So in this case they're not aligned, so it's showing a neutral position. When they are aligned, like in this position, they show bullish movement for the week, and when they're in a decline they're showing bearish movement like here or back here. So at the moment avoid going long or short as per the weekly trend. On the daily, likewise it's showing a negative, or I should say a neutral positioning, but more importantly on the daily we look at the some of the other technicals. And we've got the key support at 27,190 and a resistance at 31. Now you'll notice it's been hovering in that range for some time, and we've also got these two diagonal ascending and descending trend lines, and it's causing this little flag or channel being developing in the last few days. Also I've got this Fibonacci retracement, so it's come back down as far as a 38% level almost, and I've also drawn in a Fibonacci extension, and that goes to that level there. So a 1-to-1 ratio would be at 38.43. Now you can go higher than that, or potentially any one of these other areas if it breaks above this resistance as a target. But if I zoom out, you'll see that you'll see that 100% extension aligns with these key areas throughout the history of the chart back there over the years. So that's a possibility, although there's no guarantee obviously it's going to go there, if at all. So just be mindful of that, just a bit of a possible, probable future. Also on the hourly, there's a bit of a spider web of trend lines here, but the idea, I'm going to leave those in there because often it does respect those lines. So at the moment we're in this triangular channel, and it's converging in there. So initially, to break up or down, we want to see it break outside of this little channel, but ultimately we want to see it break either the support or resistance area. Now in terms of a trading idea, I've also got these fractals drawn in for those new to the channel. So when both the weekly and the daily are showing a bullish momentum, we take the trade when the candle breaks outside of the fractals, such as in that point there or that point there, and we take little profits. I prefer to take little profits in a percentage gain or little monetary gains, whatever you're happy with, and then go into a new trade later on. And that's going bullish in that area, and likewise when it breaks below the fractal you go bearish, such as in that point there. So at the moment avoid going long or short because both the weekly and the daily are in a neutral bias. So to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, subscribe to my Patreon page for exclusive access to weekly stock scans. That allows you to potentially trade some stocks and currencies and commodities, and it also shows some average down strategies you can follow. Subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.